Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, and not only price movement, but you look down here at the volume and well above average. Now, I realize the price did pull back a bit from its highs, but still, compared to where it was not that long ago when it was down here around 42 cents, the price has certainly still made a good movement up from that point. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First level is what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up here above 52 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 52, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 52 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are at, in more of the near term, seems to be a little bit of a group of highs right here at 57. If the price can push through 57, the next key level is just nothing fancy behind it other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at that 62 cent mark. But before you start talking about doing battle with 62 or anything like that, again, in the shorter, near term, 57 cents is going to be that first hurdle that needs to be cleared. All in all, though, great movement, great volume, and we'll see if this one can build upon the momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.